Traditional Hawaiian pizza recipe, homemade dough and toppings plus step-by-step preparation instructions. Here is a traditional Hawaiian pizza recipe that includes homemade dough and toppings, as well as step-by-step preparation instructions. Ingredients for the dough. 1. 3 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1 package active dry yeast. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 1 teaspoon sugar. 5. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 6. 1 cup warm water. Ingredients for the sauce. 1. 1 can, 8 ounces, tomato sauce. 2. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 3. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 4. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. Ingredients for the toppings. 1. 1 cup diced ham. 2. 1 cup diced pineapple. 3. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Instructions. 1. Add the olive oil and warm water to the dry ingredients. 1. Mix until the dough comes together. 2. Ply the mixture on a floured surface for around 5 minutes until it is smooth and versatile. 3. Place the batter in a gently oiled bowl, cover it with a perfect towel, and let it ascend in a warm spot for about an hour or until it has multiplied in size. 4. Preheat the stove to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. 5. In a little bowl, combine as one the pureed tomatoes, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. 6. Carry out the batter into a circle around 12 creeps in breadth and put it on a pizza container or baking sheet. 7. Spread the sauce equally over the mixture, leaving around 1/2 inch around the edges. 8. Sprinkle the diced ham and pineapple over the sauce. 9. Top with the destroyed mozzarella cheddar. 10. Prepare the pizza for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheddar is softened and effervescent and the hull is brilliant brown. 11. Eliminate the pizza from the stove, let it cool for a couple of moments, and afterward cut and serve. Enjoy your homemade traditional Hawaiian pizza.